Okay, everyone just got cut off there, but we were talking about where is the big hand pointing to? So the big hand was pointing to the 9, okay? And where is the little hand pointing to, or the hour hand? The hour hand is about, halfway would be here. It's about half of halfway to get to the 12, okay? So it's got a little way to go to get to the 12. Now, we know that as our minute hand moves faster, our hour hand will move slowly to its destination, okay? So when this minute hand gets all the way to the 12, our hour hand will arrive at its number it's traveling to. In this case, it's the 12, okay? So it's got 15 minutes to go, hasn't it? The minute hand before it gets to 12, okay? And we call that quarter to, okay? Quarter to. 3/4 of the way between the 11 and the 12 is a little hand, okay? So it's 3/4 of the way there. Just like our minute hand is 3/4 of the way around the clock, our hour hand is 3/4 of the way to the 12. Okay. Now, what time are we showing now? When we've got our big hand on, or our minute hand on the 6, we know that's called half past. And then we've got to look, what is it half past? Is it half past the 4? No. It's traveling this way. Is it half past the 2? No. It's halfway past the 3 on its way to the 4. Okay. So we know it's half past when we've got the minute hand pointing to the 6. Then we see with the hour hand, where is it half past? It's half past 3 on this occasion. Okay. So the hour hand is halfway past the 3 on its way to the 4. All right. It's directly in between those two at the moment. Now, we know that when this minute hand travels all the way up to the 60, it will then arrive at the 4, won't it? As this travels in minutes up to the 12, up the top, the hour hand is going to slowly travel to the 4, okay? And when this minute hand hits the 12, the hour hand will then be at the 4, okay? So it's half past 3, this one. Now, next one. What do we notice about small hand? It's halfway between the 3 and the 4. What time is the clock showing? Half past 3. Okay. Rightio. All right. I'll let you go and get on with your worksheets, answer some questions there, and then you can come back. You can pause the video and you can come back and we'll have a look at the plenary in a second. Okay. Right. Which clock is showing quarter past? Let's have a look. So we've got this clock. Now, is this clock showing quarter past? If the big hand's on the 6, is that quarter past? No, we know that's half past, isn't it? Half past. So we can rule out this clock straight away. It's not going to be this one. Now, is this clock past in the past side or the to side? Past or to? Let's think about this being the monster. The 12's the monster. Are we on our way to the monster or are we on our way past the monster? Remember, this side is past, isn't it? Because clock's traveling in this direction. As soon as we get past the 6, then we're on our way to. Okay, so it's in the to side. So it's quarter to this clock. So we can rule that one out as well. Now, quarter past. Let's see. Now, monster's here, the 12. This is past the monster, past the monster, past the monster, past the monster, to the monster. Now, which side is our minute hand in? Our minute hand is in the past side, isn't it? Past. And we know that when we get to the 3, we call that quarter past. Okay? So it's this clock that is quarter past. Now, what is it quarter past? Quarter past what would we say? It's quarter past. What does it look like? We're just slightly past the 2, okay, on the way to the 3. So it's quarter past 2 on this occasion. All right. Hope you went all right with them, and we'll have a bit more of a look at time tomorrow, and I'll see you later. Okay, cheers. Bye-bye.